Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video guys, we will cover everything that you need to know about timing chain replacement guys. Okay, we're going to bust a few myths. We're going to show you what could happen if you don't replace your timing chain, because most people think it's a lifetime deal. No, it's not guys, but there is something very important that you need to do every time you replace your timing chain, and we will explain what that is. Stay with us guys. We have more than 200 videos on every car and engine we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So let me show you here now guys. We're working on this engine, 2.3 turbo engine out of a Mazda. It has timing chain. Okay, we have two engines here and practically identical engines. Okay, and this is guys, okay, your engine, and this is the timing chain. This engine has two timing chains guys. You can see one going to the oil pump, okay, right here, and the other one is from the crankshaft, okay, from the crankshaft to the camshafts here. Now, what do you guys need to know about it? Most people guys will just get a new chain, okay, new timing chain, and will replace the chain and the tensioner only. Timing chain and tensioner. Now, when you replace timing chain guys, you have to replace new timing chain, new tensioner, new guides, okay, right here, and you need to guys put new sprockets. Okay, why you guys have to put new sprockets? We'll demonstrate why now. Check this thing out. Okay, it has missing teeth. Okay, two missing teeth guys. Somebody replaced that timing chain in the past. This is not the factory timing chain, this is a factory sprocket. By part numbers and stuff like that, we were able to conclude that. Now, what happened guys, okay, they put a new chain on old sprockets. The old sprockets, they get stretched, because the chain gets stretched and it actually stretches the teeth. Okay, you can kind of even see the teeth like being a little bit uneven. And those two are missing guys, they're completely broken off. So every time you replace the timing chain, you have to put a new crankshaft sprocket. Okay, that's what it's recommended. New camshaft sprockets as well guys, and often the kit will be sold that way. And in most cases, every time you remove the bolt for the camshafts, you have to get new bolts and new bolt for the crankshaft, because those are special torque bolts and you can use them only one time. Now, about the timing chain guys, most people think it's a lifetime deal. No, it's not. This is a 90,000 mile engine right here. 90,000 mile engine. It was driven hard obviously, but we noticed that many cars will throw a timing chain, jump a timing chain at around 120,000 to 140,000. We've noticed quite a bit. And some of them, even the oil pump is inside the engine, okay, on the timing chain, like the Ford engines do that. So you have to replace your water pump at the time of the replacement as well. But you can see guys, you always have to replace your sprockets, not just the chain. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you about to do that work, or having an engine with a timing chain, because timing chain is not a lifetime deal like it used to be. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.